Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT does have the sport appearance package on it. So you've got your sport stickers here, your running boards, your black and red XLT badge, keyless entry pad. You've got your power mirrors controls over here, powered seats, both passenger and driver power heated seats. You got your nice sport appearance seats here with the red stitching, the sports leather into it. Go ahead and start it up. You do have your infotainment screen there on your sport appearance dash. Various settings here, off-road settings, etc. Cruise control on the left here, and then hands-free on the right. Sync 3 sound system with built-in navigation, 4G hotspot, Ford Pass Connect. You've got a locking differential, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then your trailer backup assist and trailer brake. Climate control down here. You've got red stitching on the gear shifter. And then up top you have your controls for the panoramic moonroof. As we come around to the back, you'll notice your FX4 off-road badge back there. You've got a built-in trailer hitch with your trailer latch hookups. Built-in tailgate step and a drop-in bed liner. You do have LED box lighting in the rear here. You control those from the cabin. And the back seat here, you've got your same stitching back here on the seat belts and the sport seats. You've got 2 more cup holders back here for the rear. You've got a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and a 400-watt household plug. On the front, you can notice your black housed headlights with LED headlights and fog lights, turn signals, your sport grille, nice blacked out mesh grille there. Really like the look of that. You've got another sticker here on the hood. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford F-150.